Ever wonder what AI agents are? Think of them as your personal AI assistants, but supercharged. While a chatbot like ChatGPT needs you to give it prompts for every single step, an AI agent can handle a whole project on its own. You give it a goal, say, plan a weekend trip to the mountains, and it gets to work. The AI agent will think, reason, and use different tools. It can browse the web to find the best cabins, check weather forecasts, look up hiking trails, and even create a detailed itinerary for you. It's like having a smart, autonomous team member that works 24/7, from managing your calendar to conducting complex market research. AI agents are designed to understand your goals and execute the steps to get there all by themselves. They are the next big leap in artificial intelligence, making our lives way more efficient.